This is the Jigoo J300 Pro mattress vacuum cleaner. And inside this video, we're gonna check to see whether or not a budget vacuum cleaner like this is worth getting. I'm super excited that I was sent this because I'm truly curious whether or not it's gonna work on cleaning my mattress. When you first open up the box, there's no assembly required. It just comes in one solid piece, which I really did appreciate. We have an LED screen at the top that will show you the sanitation levels in real time. And that's because it does have infrared technology built inside of it, so it can detect those dust particles and then clean them. Inside, we have a 550 watt motor that powers the suction. And yes, I have already tested this before filming this part of the video, and it is super powerful. It also has a cool integrated scent feature that leaves your bed smelling a little bit more fresh, and I did notice a slight scent when testing it out. As far as ergonomics go, it's pretty comfortable to hold and to operate with one hand, and the power cord is pretty long, so you can plug this in and it'll cover the entire space of a king-size bed. So now that we've gone over the features and how it works, let's go ahead and test it out. This is what our bed looks like before vacuuming it, so I'm hoping that we can get it looking a little bit better using the vacuum. To use it, I'll go ahead and hit the power button, and we'll start vacuuming. And just from doing this bottom corner of our bed, this is how much dust and debris it collected. Honestly, that is pretty crazy. I'm sure once I finished up the whole bed, it will be pretty close to full. Now that we've done the mattress pad cover, it's time to see how the mattress looks. So let's go ahead, turn this on. And not as bad as the mattress pad cover. That's pretty cool. We're getting much better numbers this time around. Oh, now it's starting to get a little bit dirtier. That's okay. It's cleaning it up, no problem. And afterwards, this is how much dust and debris we've collected. That's quite a bit off of just doing part of a king mattress. One cool feature about this vacuum is that when you turn it on, it will show you how dirty the specific area is, and then over time, that number will decrease. So right there, it is at 69, and it slowly starts to decrease as it sanitizes it. The vacuum features far infrared technology, which is slightly different than UV technology, in that it penetrates deeper into the mattress to stop mite egg production, just allowing a little bit more deep cleaning than maybe a typical UV standard vacuum. Once you're finished using the vacuum, it's actually pretty easy to get rid of the waste. There's a button right here. You just press on it. It releases this waste bin here. And then from there, you can pop the lid off and dump all of the dust particles. Overall, if you're looking for a simple and easy to use mattress vacuum cleaner, I highly recommend checking out the J300 Pro. It has done a great job cleaning up our mattress. I was kind of disgusted with how dirty our mattress was, but this took care of it. We were getting great sanitation levels after running this, so I'm confident that it cleaned up the mattress no problem. If you're in the market for a new mattress cleaner, go ahead and check this one out. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped. My name is David, and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos. If you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for my next review.